Hello, welcome to my channel NCERT Science and Math Concept. Here we are doing the question from class 11 Physics, topic errors. The question says the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is t is equals to 2 pi under root L over G. Measured the value of L is 20 centimeter, known to 1 millimeter accuracy, and time for 100 oscillations or the pendulum is found to be 90 seconds using a wristwatch of 1 second resolution. What is the accuracy in determination of G? So here we are given L is equals to 20 centimeter and delta L is equals to 1 millimeter, but since L is in centimeter, so we take it as 0.1 centimeter. Time for 100 oscillations is 90 seconds and its resolution means delta t is equals to 1 second. Now we are given t is equals to 2 pi under root L upon G. Squaring both sides we get t square is equals to 2 pi L upon G. Therefore G is equals to 2 pi L upon t square. When we have done the squaring of both sides, 2 pi will also become 4 pi square. But since 4 and pi are constant, they will not give any error. Therefore, delta G upon G into 100 is equals to 4 constant, pi constant, no error. Delta L upon L plus 2 times delta T upon T. Here we are not taking minus because error is to be taken always maximum. Delta L is 0.1. This whole is to be multiplied by 100 because we are going to calculate percentage error. Upon 20 into 100 plus 2 into 1 upon 90 into 100. So on solving this 20 makes 1 the 5 the. Here also this 0 gets cancelled. So we are having 0.1 into 5 is 0.5 plus 20 divided by 9, that is equal to 0.5 plus 2.20 divided by 9 will be 2.22, or that is equals to 2.72%, which can be considered to be approximately 3%. So accuracy in the measurement of G, that is delta G upon G into 100, comes out to be approximately 3%. That is all for this question. Keep watching my other videos for more challenging questions and do subscribe my channel.